Welcome to the ultimate guide to optimal nutrition, eating healthier. In this comprehensive video, we delve into the fascinating field of nutrition and provide valuable information to help you live a healthier lifestyle. Discover essential tips, evidence-based recommendations, and effective methods to optimize your diet and transform your overall health. From debunking common myths to outlining important dietary principles, we leave no stone unturned. Our nutritionists and health experts share their knowledge on a variety of topics including macronutrients, micronutrients, portion control and meal planning balance. Learn how to make wise choices about protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals to ensure your body gets the nutrition it needs. Discover the secrets to maintaining a healthy weight, controlling your cravings, and incorporating mindful eating into your daily routine. We discuss the benefits of different diets, such as the Mediterranean, plant-based, and intermittent fasting diets, allowing you to find which one best suits your unique lifestyle. Additionally, we explore the impact of nutrition on specific health issues and offer practical tips for preventing chronic disease. Learn how nutrition affects heart health, brain function, digestive health and immune system strength. Explore valuable resources, downloadable guides, and recommended readings that will further enhance your understanding of optimal nutrition. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools to make informed food choices and begin your journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Join us on this knowledge-filled nutritional journey and discover the keys to achieving your health goals. Don't miss this ultimate guide. Check it out now and embark on a nutritional transformation journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Everything Diet, as we give you more of this useful information on healthy